Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs! Want to make money from your couch using just a few clicks? Today, I'm diving into how you can earn up to $950 a day online using AI tools like InVideo. Stick around because this is going to be a game changer. Alright, let's get into it. The core concept here is simple. You copy and paste links from trending Google News stories or viral YouTube videos into InVideo, and this AI tool does the heavy lifting for you. No need to show your face or even use your own voice. Sounds like a dream, right? Let me show you how. First, head over to Google News and pick a category that interests you. Business, technology, sports, you name it. Find a popular or trending article and copy its URL. Alternatively, you can use ChatGPT to prompt it for successful channel examples in various niches, especially educational ones. Now paste that URL into InVideo. Select the Recreate option and watch the magic happen. InVideo will generate a video based on the link you provided. Of course, you can customize it, edit elements like voice, music, and background. You can even clone your own voice or use InVideo's AI voices if you're feeling fancy. Here's an example. The video creator I watched recreated a 2-minute explainer about water in the human body and another on power outages in Kentucky. It's quick, it's effective, and it's ready to be posted. Consistency is key here. Posting multiple times daily or weekly can really boost your visibility. Don't forget about other revenue streams like Patreon or membership clubs for additional income. Now let's talk money. The video claims you can potentially earn anywhere from $100 to $950 a day. The creator even mentioned making $11,000 consistently for years and hitting $1,000 a day through ads. While these claims are not independently verified, the potential is there if you're consistent and engage your audience effectively. Before you dive in, remember that success depends on various factors like content quality, consistency, and audience engagement. Also, be mindful of copyright issues when recreating viral videos. Always ensure you have the right to use the source material to avoid any legal hiccups. InVideo's pricing starts at $96 a month with additional add-ons available. There's also an option for a yearly subscription if you're in it for the long haul. And that's it, folks. With a bit of creativity and consistency, you could be well on your way to a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time gig. So why wait? Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. Till next time, keep hustling.